Paying to keep your highly sensitive enterprise data securely inside a localized European data center does not automatically guarantee full data protection. Legal jurisdiction follows corporate ownership, not the physical location of the hardware. Relying on geography alone leaves organizations exposed to severe liabilities, driven by extraterritorial U.S. legislation, hidden supply chain dependencies, and direct conflicts with GDPR. U.S. law asserts extraterritorial authority over American-owned businesses operating anywhere in the world. Under the U.S. Cloud Act and FISA Section 702, American technology companies are legally compelled to hand over data, regardless of where it resides. Intelligence and law enforcement agencies execute this access unilaterally, without notifying affected European users or businesses. If a cloud provider has a U.S. parent company, any localized European data boundaries established by that provider remain legally subject to American jurisdiction. This stark legal reality makes the European sovereign cloud offerings marketed by major hyperscalers an exercise in sovereignty washing. Representatives for major U.S. providers have admitted under oath that they cannot guarantee immunity from U.S. data requests for their European clients. True infrastructure isolation is practically impossible because European data centers rely heavily on foreign manufactured processors, frameworks, and APIs. The European Union's SOV5 criteria measures actual supply chain sovereignty, evaluating the geographic origin of hardware processors, operating systems, and hosted APIs. Evaluating these dependencies reveals localized servers offer no true sovereignty without structural control over the entire supply chain. Complying with the U.S. Cloud Act warrant directly violates GDPR Article 48, which strictly requires an international mutual legal assistance treaty. This compliance vulnerability is systemic. Currently, 9 out of 10 cloud providers for EU governments are American companies. Standard provider-managed encryption fails to resolve this conflict, as U.S. authorities can legally compel the provider to hand over the encryption keys. To mitigate this risk, enterprises must mandate client-side encryption, where the organization retains exclusive control of the keys, and shift highly sensitive workloads to entirely European-owned platforms. To achieve true legal certainty, executives must stop asking where their data is stored and mandate structural independence by asking who controls the infrastructure.